Hello student, hope you all are fine. Today we have to read about chapter first, computer languages. In our country, every state has different languages to speak a person from the different state. On the same way, a computer cannot understand the human language. A computer needs specific instructions to perform a task or a function. The process of developing a set of instructions to enable a computer to do a particular task is called programming. Each programming language has its own set of rules. There are 5 categories to development for programming language. The first generation language, machine language. The second generation language is assembly language. The third generation language is the high level language. The fourth generation language is a modern high level language. And the fifth generation language is advanced high level language, that is AI. The first generation language, machine language or low level language, is known as the first generation language. That language only understand by the computer directly. This language use 0 and 1s for doing the program. Advantage of the machine language. Machine language runs very fast and utilize less memory. Disadvantage, it is not easy or to fix the error or coding. Difficult to debugging. It is extremely machine dependent. The next is second generation language. Second generation language known as assembly language, that is also low level language. This level use mnemonic codes instead of 0 and 1s. Mnemonic codes includes English words and letters which a human beings can easily understand. Mnemonic codes are similar to abbreviation which help in remembering the original words or concepts. For example, we add two numbers 3 and 5. You can simply write code as add 3, 5 instead of giving a long binary codes. Advantage of the assembly language is this language use English words. It is easy to locate and fix the error. Now, disadvantage of assembly language, it is also machine language. Like machine language is also machine independent language. It is quite time consuming. The next is third generation language. The limitations of machine language and assembly language led programmer to develop a language which is a machine independent, resembles English or any other spoken language. The third generation language, also called high level language. The instructions written in high level language are easy to understand and write. The high level languages are examples Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, Pascal, C, C++, and Java are examples of the third generation language. A computer does not understand any language other than machine language, so it need a translator which convert assembly language and high level language program into machine language. Features of high level language, it is user friendly language, it use English words, it is not dependent on machine. The next is fourth generation language. Fourth generation language developed to get closer to human language in terms of thinking and conceptualizations that than any previous generation language. It is independent or operating system. Feature of fourth generation language, it is more programmer friendly language, require minimum efforts, programming efficiently with the uses of English like words. The fourth generation languages are designed to reduce the overall time. The next is fifth generation language. Fifth generation languages are used in artificial intelligence, that is AI research. It is primary goal, it is to eliminate the need of implementing an algorithm to solve a problem. It is ultimate aim is to make computer behave, think and react as a human being. Once a program dictate how the solution should appear by logically specifying concentrate and conditions, the computer is then free to search for suitable solution. The some examples of fifth generation language are Prolog, OPS5 and Mercury. The next is translator. A translator or a language processor converts the instruction into a machine language to make it computer understandable language. Assembler. An assembler translates the assembly language program into machine language which can be understood by the processor. Compiler. A compiler is a language translate program which converts the high-level language program into machine language. It translates the entire program into machine language at once as comparatively interpreter. Because the interpreter translates the program line by line, it takes up one statement of high-level language at a time, translate it and then execute the instructions. If there are any syntax error in the source program, they are brought to attention of programmer as soon as program statement is interpreted. Thank you.